Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making ATC cards. They are artist trading cards. I just printed these out. They're 3.5 by 5. In the swap I was doing 4. So we decided on 2.5 by 3.5 cards, I believe. So I printed out these digitals from acdigitals.com and one from Happy Scrappy. That's a planner company. But I'm cutting these all down and I will be right back. So there's 4 different collections. The first one I'm going to do is Oasis. Again, I'll leave the link down below to where I buy my digitals, and then I print them out on Design Space. I'm just learning about these ATC cards. They're so much fun, and it's really nice because if you do a swap with someone, you can always just say let's surprise each other and use what we have in our stash. It's a good way to get rid of like little bits and pieces. I really enjoyed this one and I hope someone wants to swap with me. If you do, get a hold of me on Instagram or leave a comment down below. I will be happy to swap with you. It's so much fun. I always have bits and pieces laying around. Some of these I printed off, the Happy Scrappy ones I did, and then just a few other little die cuts that I wanted to fill in. It was so hard choosing just 4, but I think these are the collections that I most recently used, besides the Happy Scrappy. Again, that's a planner company. Really cute items. They have like a little subscription. If you like planners, maybe check them out, or if you've heard of them, let me know down below. So this next one I'm going to work on is Happy Scrappy. I wanted some other little pieces on here, but my Design Space, it has been like acting up and not wanting to send anything to the printer. I thought I had it fixed. It was some update issues with Windows 10, but it just started doing it again recently. So I need to like mess with it and see what the problem is. So this one was super simple and fast, but I thought it was adorable. This collection is from Heidi Swap. It's Honey and Spice. It is really pretty. Some black and white images and just really light colors. I absolutely love it. And this little dog, it says Lazy Days. Super cute. So this last one is Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. It is a really cute collection. It has little animals, some candy pieces, ice cream, and other things. It is so cute. I'm really happy that I got this one. It was really hard to choose. I get a few collections here and there. I always buy the full collection because it comes with papers and the die cuts. So it's a really great deal. A few of them were on sale not that long ago. But yeah, so I'm just gonna add some like little rhinestones that I got from the dollar store onto these. So let me know what your favorite one is. Mine, I think it's the Honey and Spice one, the one with the dog, and it says Lazy Days. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and get some inspiration and ideas, and I will talk to you later. Bye.